day your skin is affected by stress, dust, heat, dirt, and constant rushing. But we know a few life hacks to make your skin look healthy and glowing all the time. Watch simple, everyday beauty tips for beginners in our new video. Getting ready in the morning is an important ritual for every girl. It's a real challenge to complete your makeup and leave home in time. Besides, you should put everything into your handbag, not forget to pick up your keys, say goodbye to your pet, see you frou-frou, behave yourself, put on your shoes. Why are my sneakers so dusty? Close the door, and rush down the stairs holding onto the handrail. Phew! The day has just started and I am stressed out already. I need to calm down. I use my hand to wipe my face. Stop! Touching your face with the same hand you pet your dog, take money, keys, door handles, and handrails is far from being the best idea. Just imagine how many germs are there on your fingers. You might as well just rub your face against dog fur or put your cheek on handrails in a public place. The best option is to have paper handkerchiefs or blotting paper always on hand. It'll help keep even oily skin looking shine-free without ruining your makeup. Your face will look excellent. Stop touching your face with dirty hands. If you still need it, use hand sanitizer before doing it. Every girl knows that you need to drink a lot of water throughout the day. But not everyone can open a bottle without a problem. A light shower can freshen up your skin. But what should you do if your mascara isn't waterproof? Your hands will just make the thing worse. You'd better use our simple life hack. Add some makeup remover into a package of wet wipes and put it into your makeup bag. Wet wipes are always handy. You can remove smudged makeup quickly and easily. I need to fix my makeup, but doing it when you're outdoors is not very comfortable. In addition to this, my makeup bag is definitely overflowing. I've got anything I may need. I'm trying to find my lipstick when I suddenly bump against reality. All my makeup is falling on the ground. Bringing an overflowing makeup bag is not the smartest idea. A full makeup bag is just an extra load. You need to have a clean out. Put aside the makeup arsenal you need on a daily basis. Take along only the stuff you may need urgently, powder compact with a mirror, lipstick, and mascara, and your makeup bag will become light and compact at once. Now I can find my face powder without any trouble, even outdoors when I'm running somewhere, and I am not afraid of bumping against reality anymore. I fix my makeup and keep going. A number of outer factors may impact your skin throughout a day. Exhaust fumes, dust, dangerous UV light. We take away the garbage, do shopping, carry packages, take money, and put the phone to the ear. It's hard to imagine the amount of harmful bacteria attacking our gentle skin on a daily basis. Moreover, we eat junk food quite often. This hot dog is certainly not the healthiest food in the world. Do you think it will have a nice effect on your skin? I'm finally at home. I've had a busy day, and my soft and fluffy stress reliever is waiting for me at home. It's my frou-frou. It loves hugging my face, too. I fall into an armchair being totally exhausted. I dream about lying peacefully in a spa salon, doing nothing. My friend notices my tired look. Unfortunately, my skin looks as bad as I do. It's absolutely necessary to do something right now. It's high time to take care of myself. I'm going to clean my skin and pamper myself with facial treatment masks. Redhead is like a member of a beauty ambulance crew. If we are not going to visit a spa salon, then we'll arrange a spa salon at home. First things first, take away your hair and clean your face. Remove all the makeup. Dip cotton pads and wipe in warm water with a lemon. Take the pads and wipe them onto your face. Let the pores open up. Now, let's make a cleansing mask. We will need some gelatin. Pour in a spoon of milk. Grind activated charcoal and add it to the mask. Mix it. And melt the mixture in a double boiler, stirring it constantly. You can apply the mask when it becomes a milkshake consistency. Hey, Sleeping Beauty, wake up! Her skin is steamed. The pores are open. It's time to apply the mask.